today I do have FABFITFUN unboxing, and this box is crazy. The value is amazing, and it's only $49.99. It comes 4 times a year, and I am opening right now because I really don't know what is inside. It's even over here. I want to show you that it's sealed, and I really don't know what is inside, so I want to open with you guys together. You see, I am opening right now with you. Look at this. I want to see actually together with you. Look at this, guys. Ta-da! So you get a magazine actually. It's kind of cool. You can read all those stuff, descriptions and stuff like this. Okay, what is that? What makes purple mattress better? This is actually a sample of the mattress. This is marketing. Gotcha. All right, so what else do we have? We have gift cards, 90 bucks for the meal kit gift card. Isn't that amazing? All right, it's kind of hard for me to hold it, but I am just opening right away, and I'm grabbing wherever. I'm grabbing the first item. This is soft focus glow drops from Rodial. It is very expensive. Glow drops. Nice. Looks really, really cool. Then what is else in this? Here I have makeup eraser. I love this. I needed to actually buy a new one because the old one is really, really old. This is very cheap and affordable way and a great way to remove your makeup without even a cleanser, just a water, and this removes perfectly. I have this. And the next item, it is Jonathan Adler Fleur de Sel scented candle. It's heavy. It is very heavy. So the candle, oh my god, it smells so good, and in this heavy, high quality jar, that is like porcelain jar, wherever, it smells so good. I don't know if it's really natural, but smells really, really nice. I'm so excited! This is Kukyo Somatology Yoga Calm Clean Epsom Salt Hand Body Wash. I need a body wash. Prime Prep Detangler for the hair. And then Color Switch Instant Brush Cleaner. Guys, I haven't cleaned my brushes from probably more than 2 years. Maybe it's actually already 3 years that I haven't cleaned my makeup brushes. I barely use makeup. I rarely use makeup, so these brushes not like I use for all the time. I do makeup maybe once or twice a month. So, but I haven't washed my brushes, makeup brushes, probably for 3 years. So it's time. Don't judge me. It's me. All right. Then I grabbed this Beauty Bakery Proof is in the pudding. Oh, it's in the pudding eyeshadow palette. Ooh. Nice. Smells a little bit funky, but oh, this is European brand. This is from Slovenia, Ljubljana. Anybody from Slovenia? Hi, this is from Slovenia. As you know, guys, I'm not a fan of makeup, so but it looks beautiful. Am I going to gift this to my mom because my mom is coming tomorrow? I am so excited. And the last item in this box, isn't this crazy? $49. I do believe this alone is $49. So you get the value, I think, more than $200 for sure. And this is Bandu Bluetooth shower speaker. How cool is that, right? So guys, I just checked the value, and the value is almost $300 of this box. I honestly think this is one of the best monthly boxes that I know. Well, this is not monthly, this is seasonal. Eyeshadow, eye makeup remover, beautiful candle, brush cleanser, Bluetooth in the shower. How awesome is that? Then soft glow drops from Rodial, hair detangler, hand and body wash. All this is almost $300 just for $49, guys. This is amazing. FABFITFUN, I really like this. I really admire them. This is not sponsored, but they did send me this box with no cost to me. They didn't ask for videos or anything. I just decided I'm going to show you because I truly, guys, think this is a value that is, it's amazing. And I really need a body wash. I do really want it. I really wanted long time ago to buy Bluetooth in the shower because I do like to sing or even listen in the morning meditation, like music for 5 minutes while you're in the hot shower. Why not? And the brush cleanser, it's really worth. And for my hair, I always need it. And eyeshadow I probably gonna give to my mom or to my sister. This is amazing. I have this and I really like it. The candle, this is beautiful gift to someone. These drops, how amazing is this, guys? I forgot one thing. And this is freaking $90 for the healthy meal. How awesome is that? I'm going to order actually right now something. So guys, my honest opinion, I think this box is really worth $49. The value is over $250, or so around close to be $300. I think it's really worth it. I never do videos if I really don't like it. I wasn't asked to make this video. I really love it. I think it's really worth investing, and the rest of the information is going to be down under this video in the description box. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe, click the red button, subscribe, and you will be notified when I'm going to upload the next beauty related video. I thank you guys so much for watching. I love you so much. I send you a lot of kisses wherever you are in the world. I see you in my next video. Bye.